Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game not working, not opening, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. You can use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then launch the game and check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, you can either switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now you can go ahead and launch the Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note. Make sure to back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. And then you can go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5. Navigate to console storage, delete, select Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. This is the last solution. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Resonance, a Plague Tale legacy game not working, not opening, not starting, crashing issue, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.